Okay,
Hello?
you are on car?
Yeah, 1 minute. I will just connect my headset, okay? One
It's
minute.
okay. It's okay, no problem.
Yeah, I'm just taking my headset. 1 minute. Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah, you hearing me? Good. So, as I understand that website is ready, correct?
yes, exactly.
Okay, good. So our designers are now making the new logo, and maybe later we will just change the logo, and we know how to change that things in the wix.com, and that's easy. The thing is, which is we have to finalize and test it, that's the payment terms. So our clients, our customers, buyers, basically should pay by his debit card or credit card using the payment methods online. Okay, and that payment should credit to our bank account, which is in Dubai. So how it could happen? For example, the client is, let's say, in Turkey, in Istanbul, or I don't know, in Kazakhstan, for example. Okay, so there is different credit card and different currencies. So they basically putting Visa or Mastercard numbers and CVV and so on, and they pay. And on the same time, is the payment are crediting on our account, or it is later on? How it is happening?
If the debit card or the credit card will be for international transaction, if it is available, like as I have my Payoneer MasterCard. So if I will pay you through my card, then it will be available on my account within 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum. So I was send you a video how to connect the payment gateway that is available on your country. You can take it from there. If you want, I can show you how can you add the payment gateway with Wix.
So it is.
So once you will add the payment gateway, then your website will be available to accept debit or the credit card. And also if you want to be available with your PayPal account, then this option also will be available for
But we cannot
international
accept
transaction.
through. We cannot accept on the PayPal, because from the PayPal to transfer to our credit card, it's difficult, because the PayPal usually it is the American system, and if you have an American card like American Express or any other credit card, yes, you can. But we are located in Dubai, and our currency is the UAE dirhams. So from the PayPal, and which is US dollar currency, we cannot credit as a dirham account. Okay. So that is the PayPal we cannot use. We cannot use so only the way it is, make the payment by Visa card or Mastercard, the using like a debit or credit card, and pay it,
Yes. Let me share my screen so I can show you something. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Let me go to Wix. Let me go to your website as I enter. This is your website. So if I will go here, and if I have already sent you a video as well. How can you connect the payment gateway on Wix? But I'm showing it to you again. Here is the
that video. It is in the YouTube, right?
Yes, I have sent you on WhatsApp. Okay, so you just need to go to from the left settings, and then here accept payment, and when you will click on it, then you can see there here will be available from your country. So which country you want to add? Dubai,
United Arab Emirates. Yes.
Okay.
United Arab Emirates.
Okay, United Arab Emirates, UAE. choose,
Hmm.
and then you can see here available things like a Stripe. You can connect the Stripe with your
Yeah.
Wix. So it will be available for Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and there is also
Okay.
JCB,
Good. So
GBP, Visa.
now where I have to mention my bank account, if the customer pay, how it is knows, how it's credit to my account.
It will be available on your account here. On your dashboard when you will go, like as when you will connect here, and then you will put, if you already have an Stripe account, then you just need to click here. The currency you use for your website must be same currency in your Stripe account. Learn more Stripe here. So you
Okay.
just need to click here to connect. Then you need to fill up your Stripe information, and when you will fill up the information, then it will be integrated with Wix. So if you want to put that which payment gateway you will accept on your website, then we can simply include all of the logos at the very bottom. Here already have that Visa, MasterCard, American Express, those payment gateway also here
So
already included.
so that is, so what if I give you my Wix account login and password? You can do it for me?
Then I need your Stripe login access, and I don't want to get that from you. So when you will be in front of your laptop, then you can just call me and you can share your screen to me, and then I can assist you.
Great. So now we are planning to do, you know what, we want to plan to do the mobile application as well. You are doing mobile application for the same website or not?
Okay, so if you want to do the same website for the mobile and the inventory will be managed from Wix dashboard, then I can make it for you. Wix have option to create the mobile app as well, and you can submit it on Google Play Store and the ISO store as well, the same app. I can create that for you, no problem.
Good. Good. Okay, so now let's transfer the website to my Wix account.
Yeah.
And how I can make the payment for this now?
For my cost.
Yeah, Yani, you make this design or all thing.
Last time you were I was sent you the payment request on a Payoneer. So if you want, I can send you the payment request again. Then you will accept it on your email. Then you can.
Yeah, let's try. Send me just now. I will try. Okay.
Okay. That's great.
Yeah,
And when it will be done, then I can transfer the website to you. I need your Wix email address to make you the owner of the website.
Sure. Okay.
Okay. Let me.
Okay. Thank you.
So.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye for now.
Yeah, we will now chat on the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. That's great.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye for now.